Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money from home and online by creating and selling mobile apps. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money from home and online by creating and selling mobile apps. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, or whether you want to make an app for both styles, whether it's an iPhone, an Android phone, or whether it's a tablet, or even if it's something that can be used cross-platform, whether it's a phone, tablet, or PC app. You can have whatever kind of app you want, whether it's something that brings you to a website and takes you through blog posts or YouTube videos that are on that website, or if you do podcasts and you're on your own website and Apple Podcasts and Spotify and all the other different podcasting platforms, you can make it real easy for your listeners to just download your own app, which will have a player on it and allow them to listen to your podcast right there. And the best part about selling mobile apps is you can do this in a couple ways. You can make a free app that has the ability to sell add-on features, or you can charge a one-time fee or a monthly fee to use that mobile app. And there are different platforms out there that will either make it so simple that you can create your app by dragging and dropping things into it, or you can literally code everything yourself, or you could go as far as having someone do it for you and then you getting the profit in the end from the sales of that app on the different platforms, whichever one you may choose. So essentially, you could create an app and have all your blog posts at your audience's fingertips. You could have all your podcasts at your viewers' fingertips. You could have all your YouTube videos linked to your website, which are then embedded on your app. You have so many different possibilities when it comes to creating and selling mobile apps. It's ridiculous. If this is something that interests you, head on over to my blog at consulttheblindguy.com/blog, and you'll be able to find an article there that goes into way more detail than I would be able to do here on the video, and not only on this subject, but on hundreds. So if that's something you're into, I highly recommend checking out the website. You can also purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster, 100 Businesses That You Could Start From Home and Ditch the 9-to-5. Over 100 other ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. There's literally something there for everyone. All ages, all levels of work, whether you're full-time, part-time, unemployed, or a stay-at-home mom, or even if you're disabled. There are many ways for you to do things, and I have accumulated them all into one convenient place for you at a very low price. Links in the description. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world. We'll see you next time.